Picking the wrong tenant is one of the most expensive mistakes a landlord can make. The average eviction costs over $30,000 once you factor in the legal fees, missed rent, and property damage. And nearly 1 in 3 rental applications include some kind of fraudulent information. So screenings matter a lot. And in this video, I'm going to run you through 5 of the most popular tenant screening tools available. Then I'm going to show you how to actually screen a tenant. So here are quick 5 tools. MagicDoor is the first one, and this is the tool I'm going to be showing you how to use. It uses AI automation, makes things so much quicker. So this is definitely what I would recommend, but here's a few others if you don't want to use MagicDoor. We have Turbo Tenant, which is free for landlords and tenants pay for the reports. It's got a solid application process and connects to their broader platform, but there's little to no automation. Avail can run credit, background, and eviction checks. There is a free plan available, and the paid plan starts at $9 per unit. It's functional, but communication and management tools are basic. Zillow Rental Manager is free and connects to where a lot of tenants are already searching. It's got simple screening flows. Applicant or landlords can pay, but management tools beyond screening are very limited. And number 5 is Rent Spree, which can run credit, background, and eviction checks. The tenants pay around $38. It does the screening well, but stops there. There's no actual management here, no automation. It's just screening a tenant. So now let's talk about MagicDoor before I show you how. So MagicDoor screens through TransUnion, which is the industry standard, but screening is just where it starts. So you're going to screen your tenant in MagicDoor, and then their application data is going to flow directly into their tenant record and broader system. You can convert them to a lease and send that lease for signing with just one click. And since it is one platform from application through the entire leasing process, it allows you to use AI automation throughout the entire life cycle of their lease. But you're here for tenant screening, so let me show you the full flow. The whole process starts with your listing. AI is going to automatically create your listings when you have a vacancy, and of course it does listing syndication, so we're going to Zillow, HotPads, Trulia, and Apartments.com. It's going to create a master listing description for you based on any of the unit information. It's going to add a map, basically everything you need for a good listing. So as well as syndication, you also get a custom website. So let's open up this website, and here's the listing that I just showed you. So you'll have your pictures that you added, your description, facts and features, and the map of where it is. So an applicant can submit a rental application directly from here. You can send them this link. They can apply specifically for this unit or just at your property in general. If I go to my home, you would see all of my listings. And just to show you what the rental application looks like, all of this is customizable. You can add in once we get down to like the pets and cars, questions, you can adjust all that to be whatever you need. So a tenant submits a rental application. Let's go back to MagicDoor. We can go to our rental applications, and here's what makes MagicDoor so cool. So as you can see, we have a pending application, all my applications approved. Notice how they all have this score. This is an AI score. So let's go to my newest one. I click here, and Sarah got an 85. Obviously, you should still review this on your own and look through everything, but this is just going to give you a quick score out of 100. So you're like, all right, this is a pretty good tenant. I should read into this more. If they had a score of like 20, there's probably a lot of red flags that you want to dig through. This is a good score, and it tells you why. This is saying that Sarah has a steady income. She's a non-smoker, no history of bankruptcy, which are all good signs in a tenant. But of course, we want to make sure that they're actually being screened. Now, this is my demo account, but right here, you would see the report status. So when they're filling out that rental application, they're gonna have to submit for a rental screening. If for some reason they don't, you can also request the report right here to pull it. It'll go to TransUnion and give you the full actual report. Of course, there is a payment method required, and you can charge a tenant as much as you want for your rental applications. You'll wanna cover the TransUnion fee, and then you can add on your fee on top of that, so you can also make money with the rental applications. And you would easily be able to set that up here in your settings. So if you wanted to charge $80 for a rental application fee, you could. So the report is super easy. Like I said, coming through TransUnion, it's going to be accurate. Then you can verify what they said with the AI score reasoning, look through their entire rental application. Then over here is the really cool part. You can press reject and it'll automatically reject and follow up with them. Or you can press approve, convert to a tenant, or convert to a lease. And if I convert to a lease, I can choose their unit, and now I'm going through the process of literally just setting up their lease. Put in our rent amount. We'll say I took a cash deposit. Now you have the lease in the system, but you can also send the actual lease for signing and then invite them to their tenant portal. Another cool thing about MagicDoor's rental application process is the communication tab. So here you would be able to ask them anything. If they're missing a payment, if they're missing information, if there's something else you need to know about them, you can type it in here and then it sends it to them via text message, which is awesome because everybody checks their text messages. You could send it to email. It's kind of just whatever information you have from them. Text message is probably the best way to get a response. You can drop in files, you can add notes. And then the other cool part is this can also act as kind of like a CRM system. So if you go to unfinished, we see that Josh didn't finish his application. So once again, I can go to communication. And as long as I have a phone number or an email, I can say something like, hey, I saw you started filling out an application. We'd love to have you. Is there anything I can help you with? And so it's a great way to follow up with leads. And this is just anyone who started to fill out that rental application that I showed you. And then once they finish, obviously you will get all their information. And then as you can see over here for paying for the rental application, you can choose to skip the payment if you have like a special going on and you can cover the TransUnion fee, or you can add an offline payment if they wrote you a check or give you cash. And of course, they can pay online. And you'll be able to track all of your new pending applications, all your applications that have gone through the AI process, your approved and rejected applications all in one spot. Then you're able to manage their entire life cycle of the lease from the rental application all the way to when there's a vacancy again. We've got automatic lease renewals, automatic rent collection, reminders, and there's just a lot of AI automation within MagicDoor apart from the rental applications. So there you have it. 5 tools you can use. One of those tools being MagicDoor, which I just showed you. And MagicDoor is free for your first 9 units, then just $2.50 per unit per month. That includes everything I just showed you and so much more that we haven't even covered. You can check out our channel to hear more about MagicDoor, or the link is down in the description if you want to sign up and get started today. Having a safe way to screen your tenants is crucial as a property manager, so I hope this video was helpful and we'll see you in the next one.